In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to connect your project on Cursor AI to GitLab. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to cursor.com and then sign into your account. Now once you get inside of your account, it should look something like this. Now from here you'll need to go over to the dashboard over here. Now from here it should look something like this, where you can get started if you just got your account up and running. But from here you'll simply need to go down to source control. Once from here you'll be able to see GitHub and GitLab. From here you'll need to choose the GitLab, and right to the right of it you'll see the connecting page. Right from here it should look something like this, where you can then sign into your account, and from here it should look something like this, where you can authorize Cursor to connect to GitLab.com. Once from here you'll simply need to authorize Cursor, and now it's connecting to GitLab. And once from here you'll be able to scroll down and see that the GitLab will have updated to manage instead of connect. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please send them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!